One of my other favorite things besides crafting is reading. So today I'm going to bring you along with me as we go to 2nd and Charles. Do you like the crafting too?
I'm looking at the yarn.
He actually knows how to knit. But we're going to go to 2nd and Charles and look at books, see if we can find some hidden gems. So get ready with me because I'm in some activewear and I need to actually get dressed. Maybe put a little bit of makeup on. And go find some books. I have the cutest shorts that I bought from Ross. They don't have a button. Where can I find a button to fix my pants? All right, we made it to 2nd and Charles. Come with me and let's go pick out some books.
How much is this? Look at this one.
That one's really cool. We're going to Disney and we've all gotten bags. Do they have a Stitch one?
Yeah, they do right here.
Oh, just that?
This one. It's $93.
Oh, man.
I don't see a price on this. Do you see one?
Mm-mm. I don't.
The other one, it was like a little sticker right here.
Huh.
I'm guessing it's like $70 or $80.
Probably. Do you think these are new or used?
I would assume that they're new.
That mini one is super cute. Everybody else gets super overwhelmed when they're looking in these kinds of bookstores. There's just so much. We just got done at 2nd and Charles. I didn't get anything. We were just talking about how their prices really aren't that great.
They got a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah, they do. They have a lot of cool bags, and we like Loungefly, and so that's fun. But they're still like, they're even more expensive than other places you can go get Loungefly bags. Like even on the Loungefly website, they're cheaper. So nothing at 2nd and Charles. We're gonna go to BoxLunch in the mall and look at some bags there and see what we can find, and may possibly go to Barnes & Noble. We'll see. That's a fun store. I had a booth in there once upon a time. We didn't sell much. Said we didn't sell much. So we got this Stitch one, that Stitch one.
Yeah, people are asking a lot. Someone's $110 for that.
That Stitch one. Here's those Stitch ones.
That Stitch one.
Oh yeah, that Stitch one.
That Stitch. Mom.
What Stitch one do you think she'd like?
Mom,
Probably like this.
one.
There's also this.
Mom, there's also this Stitch one.
That is Stitch, huh?
And there was another one.
I know, those Stitch ones up there.
And
I think that one.
Stitch was plunger.
This one's $80. How much is that one?
Probably the same.
We could see which ones of these she likes and order it online.
Oh, that's a good
Ship to
idea.
our house for $30. Well, or we could even
do the
pick
pickup.
up at the store. And we could just come back and pick it up.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Now can you get one of the Stitch?
There's those too.
I know. I like this bag.
Dad.
That's very cute.
What, bud?
Oh, look at this one. I like this. That's really
Maybe
cute.
she'd like that.
Oh, it's Stitch.
Yeah, you couldn't tell.
Yeah, but this is like a purse. I think she wanted a
Better
backpack.
for a backpack if they're gonna carry it around. 'Cause it's easier.
Well, no luck at BoxLunch. It's expensive. I think I'm just gonna go on Macari and try to find a Stitch backpack for Lacey, and see if I can find one cheaper than $80. But we worked ourselves up an appetite.
My leg is
And Harvey can't walk anymore. Don't ask us what we're gonna do at Disneyland, because he's just gonna... We're gonna have a stroller. He's gonna be riding the stroller. Anyways, we worked ourselves up an appetite. We're gonna go eat at Tucano's. Get some yummy food. This one is super good. Love that one. I'm reading this one right now, and it's actually really good. I found too much. We just got home. This dog attacks every single time. Okay. But I want to show you what books I got. I also got a package from Amazon. It's my workout water bottle, and I'm so excited about it. Matt also got some shirts.
So quality.
Let me see. No, touchy. So they're like plasticky. Oh yeah, that's like how my shirt feels. Like, feel it. Yeah. Quality t-shirts. But these are for Disneyland.
That is not what I ordered.
I was just gonna say.
They gave me the wrong one. What the heck?
Jerks.
It's you.
Well.
I mean, I guess it works. But that is definitely not what
That's not what you ordered. Maybe it was supposed to be the other villain's shirt. The chillin' like a villain. Okay, I'm gonna open this up and show you my water bottle. Yay! Oh, I get two. They send me 2 different kinds of lids. That's cool.
Can I open this one?
I love it so much. I'm obsessed with checkered lately. If you watch any of my DIYs, you know how much I've been liking checkered lately. Even my nails are checkered. So I'm very excited. Oh, that was the sound, wasn't it?
No, queen.
Very, very excited for that. And then I got some books. I got 2 of these. The second and the third one. Or no, the first and the second one. I think. House of Beating Wings and House of Pounding Hearts. Excited for those. I don't think I have this one. But sometimes you never know with how many books that I have. The second and third of what, I think the first one was What Lies Beyond the Veil? No. I can't remember what the first one's called. But I got the second and third one of that series. And then I got the second in the Crimson Moth series. And this one called Sword Heart by T. Kingfisher. That one looked really good too. My little library. I have shelves to put in these ones because you see how there's 3 and then 2. I want to make this a third. I want to make a third row in there in each of those. So I have more room for my books. I have the stuff for it. I just have to do it. Maybe I will do that. I don't mind all the children noises, but I redid it And now look how many empty spaces I have for books. I'm so excited. Also, if you ever want some books, all of these books I am selling over on Mercari. Some of them I don't have listed, so I need to list them. But some of them I have there. I'll link my Mercari information down below. I also have some books over there I'm selling. But I'm just trying to make room, more space. And those are some books that I can part with. Those ones are like my pride and joy. I love these so much. I'm trying to only keep the books that I absolutely love. So anyways, check those out on Mercari if you want to. But I have them sorted by young adult. Special edition right there. These are special edition. And then those go to like adult fantasy all the way up there. Or just like adult. And then romance and mystery. So very excited to have all of that done. An abrupt ending to our book vlog. We are now in Las Vegas. We are headed to Disney this week. So stay tuned for the Vegas and Disney vlogs that we'll have. That's all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Subscribe before you leave, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.